Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm fine. Thank you. And you?
I am very well, thank you. And to English conversation.
English conversation.
Number 1.
Number 1.
Hello, good morning.
Hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Number 2. How are you this morning?
How are you this morning?
I am very well, thank you.
I am very well. Thank you.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I am from Enrekang.
I am from America.
Number 5. And number 4. Where you born?
Where are you from?
I was born in Enrekang.
I was born in America.
Number 5.
Number 5.
Where you born?
Where are you born?
I was born in 1990.
I was born in 1980.
Number 6.
Number 6.
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
I live in Enrekang.
I live in America.
Number 7.
Number 7.
How old are you?
How old are you?
I am 50 years old.
I am 50 years old.
Number 8.
Number 8.
What do you do for living?
What do you do for a living?
I am a teacher.
I am a teacher.
Number 9.
Number 9.
What is your hobby?
What is your hobby?
My hobby is reading.
My hobby is reading.
Number 10.
Number 11.
What is your favorite food?
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is chicken.
My favorite food is chicken.
Number 11.
Number 11.
What is your favorite drink?
What is your favorite drink?
My favorite drink is milk.
My favorite drink is milk.
Number 12.
Number 12.
What is your favorite pet?
What is your favorite pet?
My favorite pet is cat.
My favorite pet is cat.
Do you have number 13?
Number 13.
Do you have siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have.
Yes, I have.
Number 14.
Number 14.
How many brothers do you have?
How many brothers do you have?
I have 3 brothers.
I have 3 brothers.
Number 15.
Number 15.
How many sisters do you have?
How many sisters do you have?
I have 2 sisters.
I have 2 sisters.
Number 16.
Number 16.
Do you marry?
Do you marry? No.
Yes, I do.
Yes, I do.
No, I don't.
No, I don't.
Number 17.
Number 17.
How long have you been married?
How long have you been married?
I have been married for 4 years.
I have been married for 4 years.
Number 18.
Number 18.
How many children do you have?
How many children do you have?
I have 5 children.
I have 5 children.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay.